Good afternoon, everyone. You are welcome to today's class, and today we'll be doing mathematics, and we have a past question on the board. This question involves the circle geometry, and something that I will advise you concerning circle geometry is that you have to be practicing a lot. Circle geometry is not something that is that easy like that, but it is not that hard. It is not hard once you know the theorem that is involved in it. So let's just look at this question. That line TU is a tangent to the circle PQRS at P. Angle SPU is 30 degrees, angle QRS is 70 degrees, and line QR is equal to line SR. So we have to find angle QPT. Angle QPT. So this is the angle that we are asked to find here. Let me just call it X. So this is the angle that we are asked to find here. And then there is something that you should look at this circle now. That this is a cyclic quadrilateral. And how do we recognize cyclic quadrilateral? When four parts are touching the circumference. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 parts are touching the circumference. So this is a cyclic quadrilateral. And something about cyclic quadrilateral is that the opposite sides of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. That means they add up to 180 degrees. So let's look at this. What this means is that this angle here, the sum of this angle here plus this angle here is equal to 180 degrees. So angle SPQ, that's the angle here, plus angle QRS is equal to 180 degrees. And give the reason. You must always give the reason. Opposites sides of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So that means SPQ plus our angle QRS now is 70 degrees plus 70 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So SPQ equals to 180 degrees minus 70 degrees, which is 110 degrees. So what this actually means is that this angle here is 110 degrees. So, and then you can see another straight line. It's here that the sum of angle in a straight line is 180. This is a straight line. So angle angle SPU plus angle SPQ plus angle QPT. That's the angle here for this X here. So the X is our QPT is equal to 180 degrees. That's sum of angle in the straight line. Or angle in the straight line. So SP is 30 plus 110 plus QPT is equal to 180 degrees. So 30 plus 110 will give us 140 degrees plus QPT is equal to 180 degrees. So angle QPT is equal to 180 degrees minus 140 degrees. So that is 40 degrees. So what this actually means is that the angle here is 40 degrees. So angle QPT is 40 degrees. So now let me do the second one. That's angle PSR. So angle PSR, this is the angle that we are looking for here. And then before we find this angle, let's look at something. There is something that they are giving us here, and this side is equal to this side here. So I can draw an imaginary line like this. So I now have an isosceles triangle. And we know that the base of an isosceles triangle are equal. So this angle here and this angle here. So that is the angle that I will deal with. So because of time, let me just call this one A, and this will also be A. And then we already know that the sum of angle in a triangle is 180 degrees. So that means A plus 70 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So 2A plus 70 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So 2A is equal to 180 degrees minus 70 degrees. So 180 minus 70 degrees is 110 degrees. So if we now divide both sides by 2, it will now be 55 degrees. That means that this angle here is 55 degrees. But that is not all. That is not all at all. We have just find this side. It remains this side now. And if you look at this side here, this angle here is in alternate segment to this angle here. If you want to know more on circuit geometry, you can send an email to the link that is in the comment section. Just send an email to that link. I will teach you more on the circuit geometry. So now this and this are in alternate segments. So which actually means that angle PSQ, that's the angle here, is equal to 40 degrees. And give the reason. Yeah, you are supposed to give a reason here. Sum of angle in the triangle. Well, write someone in full also. So we give the reason, that's alternate segment. That's angle in the alternate segment. Now, this one is now 40 degrees. And this is 55 degrees. Therefore, angle PSR that we are looking for is equal to 40 degrees plus 55 degrees, which is equal to 95 degrees. So angle PSR is equal to 95 degrees. So don't forget to like and subscribe to follow more content like this, to receive more lecture like this. So thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.